We Are Growing by Laurie Keller. Piggy, look at this new book. It is as exciting as watching grass grow. Because it is watching grass grow. Exciting, let's read it. You have a new friend. Those words look so nice and neat. What was that? I think I just grew. Look! Wow! You did grow. Look at that. I just grew all by myself. Cool, huh? I know. I made it look easy. But growing is hard work. In fact, hey, I just grew. We are all growing. You are growing tall. I am the tallest. He is the tallest. You are growing curly. I am the curliest. You are growing silly. I am the silliest. We are pointy. We are the pointiest. You are crunchy. I am the crunchiest. I am the dandiest. You are a dandelion, a weed. I have been called worse. So, what are you, Walt? Me? Well, I'm not the tallest, or the curliest, or the silliest, or the pointiest, or the crunchiest, or the deadiest. What am I? I do not know what I am. It is okay. We will help you. I know you are... never mind. Hey, yes? Maybe not. Girl, let me think. So, what are you? Hurry up, Walt. Tell us. Well, come on. Think, Walt, think. You can do it. Oh, no. Eek. What a mess. I'm not the curliest anymore. I'm not the tallest anymore. We are not the anything-est anymore. Do not worry, you will grow again. We will? Yay! We will grow again. Grow, grow, grow. Before we grow, let's clean this place up. Hey, I think I know what I am. I am neat. You are neat? You are neat. You are so neat. You are the neatest. I am the neatest. We are all the something-est. This book is the funniest. Yeah, I love to read. Me too. Do you know what that makes us? Yep. We are the readiest. Can you find a pigeon? There he is. The end.